Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 855, and in this video I will show you how to enter boot mode on this laptop. So to do this, you have to turn on the laptop by pressing the power key once, and once you do that, start repeatedly clicking F9 button, F9, until you see the boot menu screen. Keep pressing it. Okay, and right now when you can see the boot menu screen, you can navigate in it using your arrow keys, down and up arrow keys, and to exit you can either click escape or select the Windows Boot Manager with enter. This way you can select any other option, by the way. So either click escape or enter on the Windows Boot Manager to leave. And that's it. Now your laptop will normally restart. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.